What is up, everybody? This is Art with Pro Italia, coming here to bring you a 2019 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. Do me a favor, you guys, when you call, when you text, whatever the case may be, whether it be Cycle Trader, Moto Hunt, even our website, ask for Art, and I will try to do the best I can to help you guys out. When you guys ask, it helps me to continue to make these videos for you guys, to help everybody and to help the community a little bit easier. So let's get back to it. Again, 2019 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory. Really clean. One owner. It's got some little extra goodies that I just found on this. Let's see. Everything looks really good. It's got new tires on it. No extra other mods than the case in the back, which is you can easily take off. It's got the key as well. Really stock. Let's check it out. $1,583 miles. Let's see, let's give it a cold start. See, nothing on the drop points. Everything looks good. See, the other side. Only thing I saw was this little right there. Nothing here. There you go. Oh, dude, beautiful bike. All in suspension, you already know. I'll give you, still got the sticker. So feel free to reach out. More than happy to help you guys, help answer any questions you may have. Ask for Art. Again, more than happy to help. We do ship nationwide. We do allow trades. I mean, we do allow test rides, and we do accept trades. So feel free to reach out. Happy to help. And take care.